Higher instant electric water heater, stylish touchscreen design. Copper tank, fast heating and long lifetime. Dual copper heating tube is made of pure copper material, increases the heating area, speeds up the heating process and extends the service life of the water heater. Dual thermal proof, auto thermal cutout 65C, manual reset thermostat 85C. Withstand instantaneous voltage up to 4 kV, twice stricter than IEC standard. Safe as unplugged. There are more options to choose from.